for our epic railroad adventure, we need to get to the train station in quick time because, well, if we don't, we're going to miss our train to Hyderabad on our lowest class sleeper train adventure. Let's see, there's a tuk-tuk here. Let's see if we can just quickly jump in a tuk-tuk. Bhai sahab, okay, sir. Karachi cantonment, Karachi can station. Kitna bhai? So,
what is this?
You can.
I can speak English, my friend.
Oh, great! Can you take us to the Karachi train station? We are late for our train. We're running late.
300.
Okay, let's go. Chalo bhai, chalo. Oh, I'm stuck.
What is this? This is camera?
Yeah, these are all of my friends here. And we're showing the great adventure in Pakistan. Let's go, let's have a great day. Okay. Well, the time is 2:10. We need to get...
Where you are going?
We're going to Hyderabad. Yeah. You can drive us there as well if you like. Okay, guys, the time is 2:10.
You are from where?
England, sir.
Huh?
England, huh? Time is 2:10 and our train is at 3 o'clock, inshallah. And we don't even have tickets. We need to buy tickets at the station because we couldn't find out how to do it online. And we went to get this nice
Introduce me also to your friend.
What's that?
Introduce me to your friend.
Okay.
I am the driver. Hi, friend. How are you?
He is the driver. What's your name, driver?
Najib Iqbal.
Najib Iqbal.
Yeah.
Najib Iqbal Zindabad.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Okay, this is a good start to the day. We've got a nice driver. We're heading to the station. We're in quick time. We're braking hard because of that's the white taxis you can get from the airport. But yes, guys, we are making progress. It's looking positive until maybe let's see if we can actually get a ticket for this train. We just want the lowest class, general class, economy class, whatever it is. And it's about 2-3 hours to Hyderabad. This is our warm-up session while we get used to the trains here before we go on huge overnight journeys across the whole country. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I am hungry. We bought food and we were like, we don't have time to eat any of this. So we've got it to go and inshallah I'll eat it on the train.
Either on the train if there's any room. There might not even be any room to eat on the train. But maybe we'll have time in the station. I don't know. I don't know how today is going to go. Literally have no idea. No idea what Hyderabad's like. No idea where the hotel is or anything. So follow us along and we'll show you what it's like to travel on a proper budget here in Pakistan. You're saying in Hyderabad there is thieves.
Very good.
You're saying there are thieves in Hyderabad.
Yeah, there is too much.
Too much thieves. It's not as safe as Karachi.
Hyderabad is also big city.
Yeah.
But Hyderabad is a poor city, not like Karachi.
Ah, okay. So you need to be careful there then.
So
Okay.
you need to be careful.
So the driver said we need to be extra careful in Hyderabad. It's a more dangerous city.
So better to speak with gentlemen, not to others. Other will take you from where to where, I don't know.
Okay.
So better to talk with gentlemen who look like a gentleman through personality, through dress, through hairstyle and through so many things. You can identify yourself. Either this man is gentleman or not.
Yeah.
You got my point?
Yeah, we got to look for the gentlemen and they will look after us.
Yes. Gentlemen will give you the better advice and correct advice.
Okay.
Other will stay with you.
Tonight when we arrive in Hyderabad in the evening, let's hope we run into some gentlemen and not any cheaters. That is the advice that we're being given here. But we are almost at the train station.
And take care about your money, okay?
Yeah, okay, I will.
You have pound or rupees?
Yeah.
You have credit card?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
what?
Both.
Both?
Yeah.
Debit card and credit card both?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, I've got enough ways
So
to
good.
take money. Thank you. Yeah.
Don't carry big sum with you.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Only for daily expense.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
No, I'm not your son. I'm a driver, poor person.
No. Thank you for the advice.
Okay.
It's going to help us stay safe. So we should watch out from the thieves. We should only trust the gentlemen. We should only take out enough money for the day, and be very careful with our camera and basically everything in Hyderabad. The advice is the first we've heard about it, so first we've heard about anything to do with Hyderabad. So first impressions is we've got to stay alert. But I'm very much looking forward to finding out for ourselves on what it's like in this huge city in the Sindh province of Pakistan. We're here now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will drop you here.
Yeah, no
You can
problem.
go by foot.
Yes.
There. Okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem, my brother.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name's Jack.
Jack?
Jack, yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Jack. Show me your friend. Where is it?
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, brother. Thank you for the advice. That is
No problem.
300 for the journey, 200 for the advice.
No. Take
No,
your
no,
money.
that's
Ah,
yours. That's yours.
Okay.
That's yours, brother.
Thank you. Thank you, sister.
Aapka paisa.
Thank you.
Aapka paisa.
Thank you. Have a nice
Okay.
day and have a nice travel.
Thank you. Shukriya.
Okay, sister.
Shukriya. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Allah Hafiz.